Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing.
Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I am so close to hitting 1,000 subs, so make sure you smash that subscribe button and get me there. I'm surprised I haven't done this to the car yet, guys, but finally I'm gonna get the time to do it. I'm not gonna buy different emblems. I'm just gonna black out the ones I have using plastic dip. So it should be very easy. Let me show you guys. So this is everything I'm gonna be using, guys. So just, you know, regular plastic dip, painter's tape, and then, you know, my microfiber to clean off the emblem. As you guys can see, I've already kind of put the painter's tape around this one, the front one. I did the best I could to cover all the holes on the grill, you know, just so I don't spray into the radiator. But that should be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this one, and then I'm gonna do the 5.0 on both sides, and then the GT back here. So it should be very simple and something quick, and it's gonna change the way the car looks, honestly, but who knows, we'll find out. Stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so the front emblem is drying up right now. That's how it came out. It's not the best, you know. Always buying different emblems that are actually black is always better, but you know, this will do for now. Like from here, it looks pretty good. As you guys can tell, it already blacked out that front part completely. I went ahead and taped up the 5.0 emblems also, and I've also already taped out the back, as you guys can see. I think I went a little too extra, but you know, I just didn't want to wipe off the spray. I know it goes everywhere, especially right now it's windy, and I've also taped up this side. So I'm gonna start spraying. So I realized whenever I'm spraying, if I'm really far, it's not gonna become glossy. It's gonna have like little dots. So I'm just gonna spray close, but not too concentrated, to where it'll form, it'll start dripping. I don't want it to start dripping. But first, let me clean it a little bit. It has some stains on it. So this one's actually gonna look better. So I'm gonna let that one dry, and then I'm gonna add more. So let me move on to this one, so they all finish at the same time. Pretty good. I'm getting better at this. Alright guys, the final one. So I just try to get it at a different angle, so I spray it from the top. So I'm gonna kind of aim it higher. I spray it from the bottom. At the same time, I want to keep moving so I don't make it start dripping. You know, if you know what I mean. So the front one looks pretty good already. I would say it's not quite dried up yet. It's still soft. I don't know how long it's supposed to take. It's still soft. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit longer. This one still looks pretty good, but as you guys can tell, it's not smooth. You see that? There's like a texture to it. So I'm gonna spray it again. You got sandals? Oh, okay. You wanna come and see how I spray it?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that?
Yeah. Next comes the back.
Don't smell it.
What's that smell?
It's a spray.
Oh, it's a spray.
Yeah. You don't like the smell?
Yeah.
It smells bad?
It smells good.
It smells good?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
I mean, it smells bad.
Yeah, it smells really bad. It's gonna be black. Do you remember what color it was?
It was black yesterday.
No. Alright guys, it looks like the front one is dried up. I can tell by touching the ones on the side right here. So I'm just gonna start by peeling off the tape. Hey, there is some left over right here, but you know, I can get that like this. Alright guys, so the front one is done. It looks pretty decent. It's not too shabby. What you think? So, you know, from here it looks pretty good. You can't even see it on the camera, I'm sure. But on with your own eyes, you can see it. I'm gonna take off this one. Actually, let me do the other one first because this is the one I did first.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life-bilder, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. På det jag lägger all min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här.
Alright y'all, so this is how it turned out for the back. This is my favorite one. Came out pretty good. The ones on the side, not so much. I should have put a little bit more. As you guys can tell, it has some rough edges, but it's all good. From here it looks pretty good. The front one, that one's also pretty good. Nothing wrong with that one at all. This one, same thing, kind of a little bit of rough edges right there, but it's all good. Alright y'all, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I blacked out the Mustang. In my opinion, it looks a little bit better. As you guys can see, I should have done it a long time ago, but oh well, it's never too late. As always guys, stay tuned for the next videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.